Hi, this is Lily from New Woman and welcome to my page. It is always a pleasure to have you join me, and I'm so thankful and grateful to have you here. So thank you, and let's get started on what we want to talk about today. Today I want to talk about being selfish with your time. Sometimes there are so many things happening around us, so many people wanting our time, that we need to be selfish about our time sometimes. We need to just say no. Sorry, I cannot do that for you today, or sorry, I cannot do that for you. No, be precise and just say no. I'm sorry, I cannot do that today. So this is like you wanting to do something like building your business. You're starting a different, online business, or you just want to start up something different for yourself, but you just haven't had the time to because you're so busy doing everything for everyone else and you forget about yourself. So today I just wanted to share with you about be selfish with your time. So, take that time for yourself and be selfish with your time. You have to, if you want to move forward in life, you have to find that quality time that it's just all about you. And you're not being mean, you're just trying to move forward in the things you need to do. And I'm like that. I'm truly like that. This is what I do. I put my things aside, and if someone asks me, oh, are you free? I straight away said, yes, I'm free. And quickly forgetting that I have other priorities that I need to get sorted out first. So this is a new challenge for me that I have to start doing, and that's another leap of faith or jump that I'm doing. So when I was talking on my last video, I was saying take a leap of faith or jump into things that we need to do and stop putting our other, ourselves or the things that we need to do on the side and putting everyone else first. Because you're just this very nice, kind person who does not want to say no, and I'm like that sometimes. So all I'm saying now is try and be selfish with your time and see the progress and the result of what you've been putting aside, to bring it forward and to find that the results of you spending more time with it and being selfish with your time to others and just saying no, sorry, I have other things to do, I have other appointments to deal with or to go to, and I cannot help you there. So this video is about being selfish with your time. You're not always that type of person, but in these kind of circumstances, when we need to move forward, or we need to really see results in the things that we've taken on, or the jobs, or like I said, the online business, or anything that we have to put ourselves first and see what the results are, and it'll be amazing. Because those people, I'm not going to say it. Sometimes you worry about what people are going to think. Oh, what happens if I say no and they're not going to like me, or things like that. But you've got to put all those kind of doubts aside, or feelings, or whatever it is, our emotions. Just put all that aside and focus on you. Just focus on you for a change. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's my jump for today as well, that I'm going to take this one step at a time and just learn to say no to people and mean it. Don't be half-hearted about it. Learn to say no, and your time is precious as well. So thank you for joining me again. It's a pleasure having you here with me on this video, and all I'm doing is just sharing with you the progress of my life and what I'm doing to go forward. So thank you again. Please subscribe to my page, and looking forward to seeing you again on my next video. Subscribe to my page and click onto the link below this video, and hey, just to have fun.